Hola to all my dear students. Time to take out your English grammar books. We were on chapter number 3, nouns and its kinds. Yes, I hope you have done all the work and we have discussed also. I gave you homework page number 13. So let's discuss this first. I'm just telling you the answers. You can write down the answers here. And those who have done, you can check your answers. Cups and plates are made of dash. Cups and plates, they are made of china, clay. Machines are made of dash. Machines, किससे बनी होती है machines? Iron. Tires are made of tires, rubber. Bricks are made of clay. Books are made of paper. Sweets are made of sugar. Blankets are made of wool. Shirts are made of cotton. Doors are made of wood. Utensils are made of steel. Robots are made of metal. Moving on to abstract noun number 5. Now what are abstract noun? आपके आसपास कुछ है, क्या आप उसे देख सकते हैं? Can you see? क्या है आपके आसपास? Air. पर आप क्या air को देख सकते हैं? No, but हम उसे feel कर सकते हैं. Same is abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of a quality, state, feeling or idea that we cannot see. कौन से होते हैं abstract noun? जिनको हम देख नहीं सकते, सुन नहीं सकते, टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते, टच नहीं कर सकते, but we can only think of. उनके बारे में हम सिर्फ सोच सकते हैं कि वो चीज़ है. They are known as abstract noun. Beauty. Beauty हम सोच सकते हैं कि हाँ कितनी ब्यूटीफुल है, isn't it? हम उसे टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते, उसे टच नहीं कर सकते. लव, ऑनेस्टी, इन्हें हम टच नहीं कर सकते, ना ही हम इन्हें टेस्ट कर सकते. ओनली फील देम. सी, ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी. वी कैन फील ऑनेस्टी. ऑनेस्ट यहाँ इज बीइंग ऑनेस्ट, बट वी कैन टच इट. सो दिस ऑनेस्टी इज abstract noun. We should always speak the truth. Truth is abstract noun. Laughter is the best medicine. To laugh. Abstract noun. There is no hope of a cure. Hope. Some more abstract nouns are here. Childhood, modesty, being modest, courage, love, politeness, cruelty, rudeness, beauty, health, pity, joy, pain, sleep, bravery, fear, anger, freedom, cowardice, laziness, foolishness, innocence and pride. We'll see through exercise. Use the abstract nouns given above to answer these questions. First one is done for you. What quality does a cruel king show? Cruel king कैसी quality show करता है? Cruelty. What quality does a brave person show? कोई brave है तो उसके लिए हम क्या quality होगी इसकी? He is being brave. So the abstract noun will be used as bravery. What quality does a coward show? A coward person will show, we'll say cowardice. Next, what quality does an angry woman show? She will show lazy. For lazy, laziness. Foolish, foolishness. innocent, innocence, proud, pride, humble, humility, true, truth. Moving on to next exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable abstract noun from the box. This you will do in homework, and fill in the blanks with the opposites of the given abstract noun. You have to do right opposites. Politeness, rudeness, love. Love's opposite will be here hate. Like this. So this is your homework. You will complete in your books only. Write down date here. Homework in book only. Okay, page number 15 is your homework. We'll discuss this in our next session. Open your grammar notebooks. We were on chapter number 3. Now we are going to write definition in the notebooks. Open a new page in your notebooks. Write down today's date, 13/8/2020. Now this is our E, abstract noun. Leave one line and write down the definition. The name, one finger gap should be there, of a quality, comma, state, comma, feeling or idea. I just now explained you that we cannot see, hear, taste or touch, but we can only think of. Full stop. For example, courage, comma, love, comma, anger, comma, etc. Full stop. Just now I explained you which we cannot see, taste, hear, touch, but we can only think of. Those are abstract nouns. On a new page, write down date again. Then this will be your exercise 5. Leave one line. Fill in the blanks with suitable Abstract nouns from the box. Full stop. With the help of a scale and yellow color, you have to make a box. First, I am writing the words which are there in the box. BRIGHTNESS, brightness, anger, comma, knowledge, comma, joys, comma, bravery. Now you have to make a box like this. Now let's write the sentences. First, dash is bad for health. Full stop. Number 2. Tuku was given a dash award. Full stop. Turn the page. Date. Number 3. Share your dash and make others happy. Full stop. Number 4. Surf Excel brings dash to the clothes. Full stop. Number 5. Gargi's dash of history. See, history is H. I have made capital because it's a proper noun. Is good. Full stop. So let's see. Dash is bad for health. What is bad for health? Brightness, anger, knowledge, joys or bravery. So for our health, anger is bad. Because it is first letter, we will write it as capital. Tuku was given a dash award. Which award? Bravery. Next. Share your dash and make others happy. What should we share? Joys. Write down. Joys. Surf Excel brings dash to the clothes. What will Surf Excel bring? Brightness. BRIGHTNESS. Next. Gargi's dash of history is good. What? The last one, knowledge. For today, we will be doing this only. Complete your work and do the जो वर्क मैम नोटबुक में करा रही हैं वो आपको नोटबुक में ही करना है. बहुत से बच्चे मैम से पूछ रहे थे. जो वर्क मैम बुक में करा रही हैं और बुक में होमवर्क दे रही हैं वो आपको बुक में करना है. क्लियर? बाय बाय.